Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Chatsonic Chrome extension in 2025. So it's a powerful tool that brings AI right into your web browser for writing, researching, and replying faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. It can be Firefox, it can be Chrome. So currently I'm using my Chrome browser, so you need to open it. Once done, you need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, then hover over to the extensions and click on the Visit Chrome extension option. Once done, you will be landed on the Chrome Web Store where you need to use the search bar in the top, and here you need to search for Chatsonic. After typing Chatsonic in the search bar, you need to press enter and you will find this particular extension which is from writesonic.ai. So you need to just click on it. This is the extension that we want to add in our web browser. So once you are here on this page, click on the add to Chrome option, click on the add extension option and wait for some time until this extension floats in the top. So once you see this extension in the top, you need to simply click on this extensions tab, and here you will see the list of all of the extensions that you have, including Chatsonic. So you can pin it over here in your bookmark section, just like so. From here you will be able to change the theme of your Writesonic account, and you need to provide your preferred language, your location, your preferred currency, and button widget mode. So click on it and provide that information. Over here you need to click on the dashboard option and it will automatically redirect you in your dashboard account. So with the help of this extension, you can basically change the tone of any of the text that you have summarized it. If you copy anything on the internet, you can use it in order to customize it, rewrite it, or generate the tweets for Twitter account or captions for your Instagram and TikTok accounts. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.